In this video, I will show you how to create a new folder in Google Drive. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, what you need to do is first of all come across to your Google Drive. So what you can do is if you come up to the top right hand corner, you should see Google Apps, give it a click and you should see the drive here, give it a click to go to your drive, or alternatively just come across to drive.google.com. Now once you've done that and you're logged into your account to create a new folder, all you need to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side, click onto the new button just up here, and you're going to see an option to create a new folder. There's also a keyboard shortcut, which if you hold down the Alt key and C and then press F, it's also going to create a new folder. What you can then do is give your folder a name. So I'm just going to call this one Tech Tutor Example Folder, and once you've done that, just simply click the create button. So it's just going to take a minute or two, then it's going to create this folder. As you can see, it's going to take us directly to that folder as well, but you can also find this just by using the search box at the top. So if I type Tech Tutor, that's the name of our folder here, and we can find it here. We can give it a click to go into the folder. You can then start adding files immediately by dropping files onto this folder from maybe your File Explorer, or alternatively, what you can do is once you're in the folder, click the new button here, click onto File Upload, and what you can then do is just go ahead and start uploading files. For example, let's take these two pictures, open them up. You can see it says starting uploads, and it's going to add those straight to the folder as long as you have double clicked inside the folder. So that is how to create a new folder on Google Drive. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.